Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a playlist on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Your Library icon down below, which is the third option. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And now you should type in the name of your playlist that you would like to give to it, and then press the button Create in the middle of the screen. Now, as you can see, you have created this playlist. You can tap on this three dots icon here. You can edit the image, so you can set a picture to your playlist. You can either choose one from your gallery or take a picture with your phone. Then you can also add a description to it, and then if you are done with all these information, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can also make it private. You can remove it from your profile and invite collaborators by clicking on this icon here, and you can of course add songs to it by clicking on the Add Songs button down below. Here there are suggested items, but if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you are going to see many songs organized into distinct categories and groups by genres, or for example, these are Hungarian pop music, these are rap songs, recently played songs, but you can also search for particular ones by tapping on the search bar and typing in a song that you like. So for example, if you have found a song that you would like to add to it, click on this plus icon next to the song, and as you can see, you have added these songs to your list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.